2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.